Coolant level dropping faster than your phone battery? Let's find out why. First things first, pop the hood and check your coolant reservoir. Is it below the low mark? If yes, you've got a leak somewhere. But where? Start by inspecting obvious spots. Look for bright green or pink stains around radiator hoses, the radiator itself, and the water pump. Wiggle each hose. Do you notice any wetness or cracks? If you do, that's a likely culprit. Next, check under the car for drips. The front passenger side is a common spot for leaks in a 2004 Camry. If you see a puddle, grab a flashlight and trace it back up to its source. Sometimes the leak is small and only shows up when the engine's hot, so if you don't see anything right away, run the engine for a few minutes, but keep your hands clear of moving parts. Pay special attention to the radiator cap and the area around it. A bad cap can let coolant escape as vapor. Also, look at the heater hoses going into the firewall. Little leaks here often go unnoticed. If everything looks dry, check under your floor mats for dampness. A sweet smell or wet carpet could mean a leaking heater core. Once you spot the leak, you're halfway to a solution. Replace worn hoses, clamps, or the radiator cap. If it's something bigger, like a cracked radiator, you might want to call in a pro. Keep your Camry cool and you'll keep it running strong. Safe wrenching.